like a Hellcat.
Hello student, good morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of class 9th, The Adventures of Toto. First of all, we have to know about the writer Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author or the writer, and he was the British descent. He lived with his adopted family in Landor, Mussoorie, India. He is an Indian author, British descent. He is considered to be an icon among Indian writers and children's authors and a top novelist. He prolifically authored inspiring children's books and was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award to honor his work of literature. After knowing the writer, we have to know about the introduction of this chapter. This is an interesting story. The narrator's grandfather was fond of keeping different kinds of pets. One day, he bought a monkey from a tanga driver for rupees 5. Its name was Toto. It was a mischievous small monkey. At first, his pranks were amusing. The family members enjoyed these pranks, but with the passage of time, his mischiefs became wilder. He broke many things in the house. At last, grandfather realized that he could not keep Toto at home any longer. So he sold Toto back to the tanga driver for 3 rupees. After the introduction, there are the difficult words meaning which is collected by me. So, dear students, you have to screenshot all the difficult words meanings and note down in your copy and learn it. After the difficult words, there is the title. The title, The Adventures of Toto, indicates directly at the central theme as at the protagonist. The story is about Toto, the pet baby monkey, and his numerous adventures. Of course, the title does not clarify who or what is Toto, but it does rouse the curiosity of the reader, which is one of the characteristics of a good title. In short, the title is suitable for this story. After the title, we have to just learn about the character sketch. In these chapters, two main character sketch are given. One is the grandfather and second is the Toto the monkey. Grandfather was a lover of animals. He had put up a zoo in his house where he had a number of animals and reared them with care and affections. He brings home a monkey called Toto, but since the monkey is a wild animal, he could not have a peaceful life. So Toto had to be returned to its previous owner. Now the monkey Toto was a beautiful little monkey. He was with a tanga driver. Grandfather took pity on him and brought him home. He created a lot of mischiefs and brought so much trouble in the house. He tore clothes and disturbs other animals in grandfather's zoo. So grandfather had to give him back to the tanga driver. And now the story and the chapters, The Adventures of Toto, which was written about or described about a Toto monkey. The grandfather just found the Toto in the just stable and the tanga driver, and he did not like the position of the place for the Toto, so he brought Toto by giving 5 rupees cost and he kept in his private zoo. Toto was a very pretty monkey. He had mischiefs, his shining eyes. His teeth were white like pearls. His hands were dried up and His fingers were quick, his tail served as a third hand. The narrator's grandmother fused when his grandfather added a new animals to his zoo, so Toto was kept in secret place. And it was a little closet. It opened into the narrator's bedroom. Toto was kept tied to a peg. A few hours later, the narrator found a change in his bedroom. Toto had removed the ornamental paper from the walls. He had also pulled out the peg. He also tore up the narrator's school blazer. Grandfather seemed pleased with Toto's mischiefs. Toto is transferred to servant quarters. Toto was now transferred to a big cage. It was in the servant quarters. Their grandfather's other animals lived sociably. There were a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a squirrel, a pet goat. The monkey didn't allow them to just sleep at the night. So the monkey didn't allow them to sleep peacefully. Grandfather had to leave Dehradun. He had to collect his pension from Saharanpur. So no one was in the home to take care Toto. So he decided to take Toto with him to the Saharanpur. So a big black canvas was just made to just put Toto into it. Toto could not take his hands out of this bag. It was too strong for him to bite. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. Grandfather was coming out of the railway station. Toto grinned at the ticket collector. At the gate, the ticket collector was taken aback, and he told grandfather that he had a dog with him, so he must have to pay rupees 3 as the fare of the dog. In vain argued the grandfather that Toto was not a dog. But he was not ready to just listen about the grandfather. His pet and his pet tortoise with him also, so he asked the ticket collector how much he should pay for the just tortoise. The ticket collector said that it was not a dog, so there was no fare for that. Toto finally accepted the house. Finally, Toto was accepted by the grandmother also, and Toto comfortable place in the stable, and there Toto got Nana, the family female donkey, as a companion, but Toto continued teasing her. They could never become friends. In winter, grandfather gave Toto a large ball of water. It was for him to bath. Toto would sit inside the ball, then he would apply soap on his body and rub all over. When the water became cold, he would come out of it. Then he would run to the kitchen fire. There he would warm himself. If anyone laughed at him, he would refuse to bath. Once Toto nearly boiled himself alive. There was a large kitchen kettle left on the fire. It was to boil for tea. Toto decided to remove the lid. He found the water warm to bath. He got in just then the water began to boil. Toto raised himself a little, but he sat down again. He continued jumping up. Grandfather came there. She took him out of the kettle. Toto always made mischiefs. He tore things to pieces. He tore up the dresses of the aunts of the narrators. One day the narrator found Toto eating rice on the dining table. Grandmother screamed. Toto threw a plate at her. One of the narrator's aunt rushed forward. Toto threw a glass of water at her face. When grandfather came, Toto ran out with the dish of pulao in his hand. He ran up to the branches of the jackfruit tree. He threw the dish at grandmother when she screamed at him. Toto is sold back to his original owner. Toto caused much loss to the family. Dishes were broken, clothes, curtains, wallpapers were torn. The family could not bear so much. So grandfather decided to sell Toto back to the tanga driver for only 3 rupees. After the chapters, there was a summary. Toto was a very active and sharp monkey. He was always planning some mischief. He took special delight in scaring old ladies. He told the wallpapers of the closet in which it was kept. When he was transferred to the cage with other animals, he gave them lots of troubles with his mischief. The grandfather then took Toto to Saharanpur. There he scared the ticket collector by popping his hand out of the bag and grinning at him. The ticket collector got annoyed at the discovery and asserted that grandfather would have to pay for the Toto's fare. Toto also gave troubles to Nana, the donkey. His sharpness could be judged from the fact that when he found hot water, he got into it to take bath. He first checked the hotness of the water before jumping into the hot water ball. And after that, there is the theme of the story. The story is based on the experiences of the people who keep animals as pets. The theme thus deals with the outcome of the interaction between humans and animals. It shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to the human way of life. It requires a great deal of patience and skills to train animals to acquire non destructive behavior. After the theme, there is the question answers of the chapters. So, dear students, all the questions answers are written here. So, you have to screenshot and note down in your copy and learn it. At last, the conclusion of the lesson is that the Toto, who was a monkey, but he just made annoyed to all the members of the house. So at last Toto was to return back to the Tanga driver. Thank you.
like a Hellcat.